Okay, here. You want to dump this in there? 2 hands. Take it with 2 hands. Hold on to it. Dump it right in. The whole thing. There you go. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Okay. You want to do the egg? Yeah, you help with the egg. Here, now you crack it. Okay. Now, come on.
Hiding her face.
No.
What, you don't want to do it?
No.
Okay. Look,
Your
just
hand
like this.
hiding her face.
Well,
Gotta wash.
see? That's all.
See?
I see.
So there's the egg in.
Yeah, there's egg in there. Why you don't want to crack it? Are you afraid? Okay, we gotta put some water. I don't know what this 1 tablespoon of water does.
I know how to turn it on.
In that big old thing.
I know how to turn it on.
Okay, ready? Pour the water in. Pour the water in. Take it. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna get this butter a little more soft.
I don't know how to
I
open
gotta
it.
get something to stir it.
Mommy, look at the egg. Wait, look. Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Look.
I see it.
You put water in it. It's not ready again. It's not ready.
Start stirring it up.
Oh, it's not ready.
And stir, stir, stir. Stir up the egg.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
Oh, it's not ready.
Okay, I'll wait until it's ready. You tell me when it's ready.
I'm making. Oh, yes, with the peppers. Oh, we don't like that? Oh, we like that?
Yeah, I like peppers.
Yes.
Yeah,
You just how you bite it.
I do.
Kind of go, onion.
It's really hot though. What are you making?
Cookies. I'm making cookies.
Yummy. I can't wait to try them.
Put it in the oven.
Yes.
Put it in. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay. More stirring.
Can I get some butter? Because I can't.
You can't? I'll help. Gotta mash it all up.
But I thought I wanted to mash it.
Okay, mash it. No, don't shake it all over. You can't outside the bowl.
I want to do it.
Don't worry about that. Just keep going around and around.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Daddy, there it is.
Can I help? Can I start doing it just a little bit? And then you can do a little bit more.
Daddy's doing it, Mommy.